Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Royal Advantage pre-owned units. It is a 2014 IS 350 F Sport Executive Package in the ultra white finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features include LED projector style headlamps with the LED daytime running lights, F Sport front grille, headlamp washers, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, windshield wiper de-icer, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, a rear power sunshade, power windows and locks, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls with the dynamic radar cruise control, a multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, a 15 Speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, drive mode select with the Sport Plus feature, which includes the adaptive variable suspension, sunroof, real red interior, great shape, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.